If you're looking for exercises that are not planks but typically targeting your core muscles, then this one is for you. Hi, I'm Abdominal, Masters in MSK and Sports Physiotherapy, and I also help people above the age of 50 to regain confidence and strength. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating you some simple core exercise for you to incorporate in your daily routine so that you can have a strong core and a healthier life.
So I'm going to give you the simple core exercises for your routine. The first one is dead bugs. You're going to place both your legs in bent position like this. Stretch over your arms and you go down. Alternate hand and alternate legs. The second exercise would be hundreds, when you keep both your feet legs apart like this and go down. This exercise targets the middle abdominal muscles. The next one, to activate your transverse abdomen, take a deep breath such that you feel a tightening around your pelvic region. Hold this breath and take your leg up and down, one at a time, up and down, up and down, up and down. This strengthens one of the crucial muscles which is a part of the core. The next exercise is the lower abdomen fat destroyer. These are scissors. So you keep your leg straight up, do a 10 counts of this and relax. Finally, single leg bridges, which activate not only your core muscles but also your glute, hence giving you the stability and helping you to walk better, as since glutes play an important role for your walking patterns and gait styles. So you're going to take a bridge, keep a leg up, down, up and 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 down.
Hope you found these videos helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for such more content. Thank you.